How to turn on NFC on Android. This tutorial shows you how to enable NFC on your Android device. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. After that, tap on Connections to open the connection settings. From there, tap on NFC and contactless payments to open the NFC settings. At this point, tap the toggle at the top of the screen to switch NFC on. In the next step, the toggle will turn blue, confirming that NFC is now active on your device. Following this, tap on Contactless Payments just below the toggle to set up your preferred payment app like Google Wallet. Finally, select your preferred payment app from the list, and your device is now fully set up for Tap to Pay and other NFC features. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you turn on NFC, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.